Post-exposure prophylaxis, or PEP, is a treatment designed to prevent the transmission of infectious diseases after a person has been exposed to a pathogen. PEP is crucial in preventing the spread of diseases such as HIV, hepatitis B and C, and rabies, and can be life-saving in some cases. PEP is typically used in situations where a person has been exposed to a potentially infectious substance, such as blood or bodily fluids, through sexual contact, injection drug use, or occupational exposure. The treatment involves a course of antiretroviral medication or vaccines, depending on the type of pathogen and the exposure route. PEP, or post-exposure prophylaxis, is a medical treatment that is commonly used in situations where a person has been exposed to a potentially infectious substance. This can include exposure through sexual contact, injection drug use, or occupational exposure. PEP involves taking a course of antiretroviral medication or vaccines, depending on the type of pathogen and the exposure route. The goal of PEP is to prevent the development of an infection that could result from the exposure. This is particularly important in cases where the exposed person is at high risk for developing a serious illness, such as HIV or hepatitis B or C. PEP is typically administered as soon as possible after the exposure, ideally within a few hours. The treatment typically lasts for several weeks and may involve a combination of medications or vaccines. While PEP can be highly effective in preventing infections, it is not a foolproof solution. It is important for individuals to take other preventative measures, such as using condoms during sexual activity and practicing safe injection practices, to reduce the risk of exposure. The importance of PEP lies in its ability to prevent the development of infections in people who have been exposed to dangerous pathogens. Without PEP, the risk of transmission is high, and the consequences can be severe, including chronic illness, disability, and death. In addition to its clinical benefits, PEP also has social and economic implications. By preventing the spread of infectious diseases, PEP reduces healthcare costs and the burden on healthcare systems, while also minimizing the impact on individuals and communities. In conclusion, post-exposure prophylaxis is a critical treatment that plays a vital role in preventing the transmission of infectious diseases. Its importance cannot be overstated, as it has the potential to save lives and improve the health of communities worldwide. As such, it is essential that individuals and healthcare systems are aware of the benefits of PEP and work to ensure that it is readily available and accessible to those who need it.